Alright guys, NFP came in crazy numbers on last Friday, okay? And I will get to these numbers in a second. So stay with me until the end that I will give you my opinion, either if this is bullish or bearish, and why euro dollar went all the way up and then now all the way down. Alright, but first, give us a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to activate the notification so you don't lose any videos we upload on here. All right, and as you there, share this content with your friends. All right, bring them together to watch with you. Okay, so one thing I want to mention here is that yes, we did have crazy numbers on the NFP from last Friday, the first Friday of the month. The numbers were like, whoa, no one was expecting to that. All right, even I was talking to some of my friends analysts, and they were expecting, you know, other numbers than what the actual number came in. And I have here something here from one of the journals saying that the non-farmer payroll in the US rose 175,000 in April. All right. The US, the BLS, the Bureau of Labor of Statistics, reported on last Friday. The reading followed the 315,000 increase recorded in March. All right, and the below expectation of 238,000. So expectation-wise was 238,000, while it came in 175,000. This is a big change. All right, it's close to nothing, to be honest, because if you think about that, we came in from 315,000 on March, then to April expected 238 and came in at 175. This is just incredible. All right, but I go further with it. Same did with the average hourly earnings, came in at lower than expected. All right, and as well as the unemployment rate came in higher than expected. So this is really not good for the US. Now, what did the market priced in right at the beginning of the news? Well, euro dollar went from, if I'm not too wrong, let me check the numbers here so I don't miss any single number. So prior the NFP, euro dollar was trading at 107.4. All right, 107.4, 107.425, somewhere around that level. Right after, well, on the release of the NFP, euro dollar went all the way, shoot up all the way to 108.140. All right, so that was a big weakness for the US dollar on that moment. But it's staying there for 1 hour, at least 1 hour and a half. So, you know, we did have this up move, but one thing happened later on the day, well, midnight, so that was already another day, so Saturday for me. That was the ISM manufacturing prices. All right, no manufacturing prices. So right then, when we had the ISM manufacturing prices, the market dumped. And it's right now trading, well, it jumped from 108, 140 down to 107.64 right now, where the market is trading on Monday, 3 p.m. on Sydney time. What does that show to us? Well, first of all, US economy is losing people on the job market. Okay. Second, the average hourly paying is not good as it was before. Okay. The unemployment rate is higher, but there is one thing here that is not good at all. The non-manufacturing prices came in higher than expected, meaning that I don't have the numbers right in my mind at the moment, but it was somewhere around 54 as expected. It came in at nearly to 59. Okay, so a big number. So what does that show to us? That the manufacturing industry is spending more to produce the same amount of goods as they were before. So what does this call? Inflation. So inflation is to exist on US, as they say last year on June and July report from the FOMC. Inflation will stay still sticky through 2024. All right. Now I ask you the question: do you think that this is good? I want to know your answer down in the comments on here. All right, we've not ended the video. All right, I've just gave you the idea. I've gave you the body of the context of the economy. So I want to know that you guys, I want to see you guys chatting down at the comments. All right, I want to see you guys engaging with it, and I will jump right into the conversation as well. So please start the first comment right now. Do it now. Do it now. Go scroll down the video if you're on your iPhone, your Android, your MacBook, your Windows, your whatever you're using. Just go now and say to me, do you think that this is fair with the population? Do you think that the higher prices, the higher living costs are actually making difference on the economy, or you think this is all BS? All right, I want to know from you guys. Please do it so. By the way, I will be running my webinar tomorrow at 5 to 6 p.m. on Sydney time. All right, this is again on Sydney time, 5 to 6 p.m., where we will be discussing the whole economic calendar for the week ahead. We will have the RBA, the Reserve Bank of Australia, setting the rates, having the meeting. We're going to have as well the Bank of England setting the rates. We're going to have some FOMC speech. So I want to see you guys there now. The way you do it to register, easy. Go at the description of this video, click at the link for the registration, and then you're going to be transferred to ACY website. Wait for the page to load. Register on Tuesday, 7th of May, and then you just wait for the page to load, of course, as I say. 7th of May, register right now, and then we will send you the link to your email. So pay attention on our email, so then you will be able to join me tomorrow, 5 to 6 p.m. on Sydney time. All right, guys, again, please put down in the comments. I want to know from you. I want to know your view on euro-dollar, on gold. What do you think this can actually affect the assets, the different asset classes? All right, I see you tomorrow, and have a good day and a good week ahead. See you.